419 Rooftops room, St George's Hotel, Llandudno, Wales. This is the second time I've stayed in this room. I was here last year for the fireworks, same as I am this year. It's the bathroom, obviously toilet, bath, walk-in shower, big mirror, dual vanity sinks, complimentary robes, complimentary enemas toiletries, as you'd expect, really. Thermostat, and air conditioning is on the side here, on the wall. Obviously, these modern hotel rooms, you have to put the key in the power socket to get the electricity to come on. Big full-length mirror. Obviously, big king bed, which is actually two singles joined together, so you can have them separated into a twin. Obviously, bedside units either side. Your big wardrobe, your desk, and all the things you'd expect, really. Here's your coffee maker, and your kettle and your tea and coffee and stuff. Complimentary water. There's a mini bar underneath. Wireless Bluetooth radio. Binoculars. Big wardrobe with your iron board in there, in that one. And then this side, you've got there's your iron at the top, your slippers, and the hairdryer is in the desk drawer. And there's a guest comment card, some writing paper, and there's a little pencil, and the breakfast room service, which I can see they charge extra for, but you can tick off what you want and leave it on your door handle, and they'll bring it to you in the morning. Huge television, smart. Got a magnum of Prosecco. And then obviously out onto the balcony is where we'll get the fireworks tonight. For the views. Hello, mate. Hello. The views over the bay. I'll get some footage of the fireworks later on. But yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks, what are you doing? Good. Yeah.
Wow, look at that. That's lovely.
That's poo.
I'm only 25, really.
Yeah. And I'm a monkey's uncle.
Oh, yeah.
Mm.